Let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American.
All right, everyone. Today we've got a classic courtroom moment featuring a sovereign citizen who's refusing to pay his rent. This guy is running through the typical sovereign citizen script, and honestly, he can barely even read it, so you already know this is going to be interesting. I mean, how do you walk into court, refuse to pay, and then act like you're above the law? Does he really think the judge is going to say, "Oh, you're a sovereign citizen? My mistake. You're free to go"? Spoiler alert, that's not how the law works. Stick around until the end, because this judge is about to hold him accountable for his actions. Let's dive in and watch this sovereign citizen try to argue his case.
Hello, this is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't hear.
All right, Mr. Riley, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, my honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Mr. Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase, Moorish pedigree. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am, all rights reserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 7786 March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD. MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA 209316, March 31st, 1952, AD, MC 1327, Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography, Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information, and certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirm.
What good boy. I didn't know this little guy could read that well. Seriously, credit to him for getting through the entire thing. I know reading can be a pretty tough challenge.
Sovereign citizens. And honestly, this is one of the best reading sovereign citizens I've ever seen in my life. And trust me, I've seen my fair share. But it literally sounds like he's reading off a poem he wrote to his mommy. A firming relation with the relationship. What does that even mean? Like, seriously. Who wrote this dude's script? Like, I bet he probably got this off Reddit or YouTube or something. Like, there's just no way he came up with this stuff. This dude is seriously out here rambling about nonsense. And it's honestly kind of giving me a headache here. Like, the stuttering mixed with the nonsense, it's just too much, but that's what you expect from these idiots nowadays. And honestly, it kind of seems like his last two brain cells are kind of fighting to read off this little script he made. But nah, let me know what you guys think. Is he playing dumb here? Or is he just genuinely this stupid? Let's dive back in.
Relationship properly venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only apply to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I was listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Mr. Dad, are you requesting legal counsel?
I don't know if it's just me, but this sovereign citizen seems like the kind of guy who'd let one rip and then try to smell it because he actually enjoys it. He also feels like the type of dude in school who'd find a piece of gum stuck under a desk and think, free food, and just eat it. And now here he is in court, not paying his rent and putting on a full-on performance like he's some legal genius. Honestly, I can't get enough of how this judge is just toying with him, patiently waiting to catch him in all his nonsense. It's basically like watching a cat play with a mouse before the pounce. Let's dive back in and watch this clown get completely shut down.
45509, this is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I'm gonna prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra, is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46, okay. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right, if you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So Good luck. Wish you well.
There's just no way this sovereign citizen is paying that much each month. If he thinks he doesn't need to pay $500 in rent, what makes the court believe he's suddenly going to come up with $700? He's already behind. So how is he supposed to pay even more? Especially when he can't even grasp basic court rules. But honestly, it was also kind of strange how he just accepted the verdict at the end. Most of these guys usually start yelling and going off on the judge, but he just sat there and took it like it was nothing. Maybe he used up all his brain power reading a couple of paragraphs from his little script and didn't have the energy left to argue. When you think about it, it's pretty funny. These guys really believe they can dodge the law by reading random legal jargon from the internet. In the end, though, the court knows how to handle them, and this guy learned the hard way. Anyway, what did you all think about this hearing? I thought it was really odd how he just accepted it at the end. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll try to find a follow-up to this one, if he didn't pay, which I have a feeling he didn't. So stay tuned for that when I post it. I appreciate you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks again. Take care, everyone.